Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare two files and check which one is the newest. So I've got two files on the desktop, file A and file E. These are the two files that I will be checking. So what you need to do first, you need to import date time. Now if you don't already have this module on board here, you're going to have to install it through pip. I've created a path variable here to my desktop, which is users mark desktop. Your desktop path will be different from this, so you're going to have to find out your own unique desktop path. Then I've used os.chdir change directory into this path. You also have to import the OS module into here, which comes as bog standard on Python. Right, I've created a function called check newest. I'm going to create a variable called file1. I'm going to assign it to inputs and ask the user to enter file1 here, simply file1. So the user will enter the file1 name and the extension, then file2 assigned to input, file2. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do an error handler using try here. So I'm going to create a variable called newest file. I'm going to assign it to max there. We're going to enter in file1 and file2 that we're going to compare. Then we're going to use key and assign it to and we'll assign it to os.path.getMtime. Right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to print out here the information. So we're going to use fstring newest file is, and then we're going to interpolate the newest file. Okay, and then we're going to finish off this exception handler here with except. So if it throws an error, we will get a message. Exception as E, and we're going to print out what the error was. Of course, we're going to use fstring, so simply E occurred. Okay. Right, now we're just going to call this. Hopefully everything's going to run right, because I can't remember if I installed datetime on this particular machine. When I wrote this code, I wrote it on another computer. I wrote it on my works computer. We'll find out anyway in a minute. So check newest. Okay. Right, all we do now is save it, cross our fingers and run it. Okay, so let's have a look at those files again, what they're called. A and E. So what we're going to do, a.txt and e.txt. Hit enter. Okay, so the newest file is a.txt, which is correct because I created it a few minutes ago. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.